Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to do a build on the Monogram Classic Cruiser Series 57 Chevy Nomad. This is a 124 scale kit, 85-0883. Let me go ahead and get it unboxed and put all the parts on the bench. I'll be right back. Alrighty, so a couple seconds later, we've got everything on the bench here. It looks like there's 97 parts. I'm going to now go through and clip everything off the trees, put everything in their respective components together, and once again I'll be right back. Okay guys, not sure where I left off in the video, but give you a quick update here. Interior's just about done, dashboard's ready to go in. I'm waiting on the steering wheel paint to dry. Engine is coming together, body's coming together fairly quickly, and I'll be right back. So there it is, folks. Not a lot of detail in the build in this video, I apologize, but the kit came out really nice, very easy to put together. No real issue that I can think of as far as the instructions were involved. Everything was pretty straightforward. A little bit of thinking involved just to make sure things went the way they were supposed to, and other than that, I like it. Went together fairly easy. I don't like the fact that once you put the glass inside the body, you can no longer take the hood off because there's little pins in there that lock it in. Originally I had planned on wiring this engine, so I set it in the chassis, and then I put the body over it, and then I took the body off, but there was just no way to really access everything easily, so I just ignored the wiring, and I'll do it on a different kit. But this one turned out nice. I'm happy with it. I accidentally painted it almost like the box. That wasn't intentional. I just had this orange that I really liked, and I was going to shoot it with some gloss, but it still it shines pretty nice. So I just left it because I think if I had put the wet gloss on it, it would have made it look basically just like the box. And I didn't really want that. I wanted to do something different, but that's alright. Here it is. 57 Chevy Nomad, Monogram 124 scale. I'll show you the bottom here. I think one little detail they missed is there's no side mirror in the kit, and I searched through my parts bin, you know, my spare parts, and I just couldn't find one that I liked that looked kind of period correct. I was going to put this whatever you call them things, a hood ornament, you know, the airplane thing, and I thought, nah, I'll just leave it. So there you go, folks. Hope you all have a fantastic day. I thank you all so very much for stopping by. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's keep this channel growing. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I will see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.